How to change a reference code on Shein. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can change your reference code on Shein.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget you're gonna be able to find Shein.com website and sign up links in the description of this tutorial. So first of all, you must go and log in into your account. If I move my pointer on top of this icon, the profile icon, as you can see, there is my username. So by now, all you have to do is go into your profile and you're gonna open this dashboard. So in your left menu, you're gonna find two different things. First of all, share and earn. So if you tap there, you're gonna find your reference code, as you can see, but there is no way to change this. Indeed, I guess there is no any circumstance or reason that you want to change your reference code, because probably you just have to copy it, and if they use your reference code, you're gonna earn some money. So there's no need to change it. Also, you can share this code from another social medias, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, or even make or follow, this invitation process, okay? You can check there your earn rewards, friends and coupons, and this is gonna be filled with something in case somebody used your coupon, your code. There's another thing here into your dashboard. It's my reference. There is another chance to put a reference code, but there you're gonna have the option to reference a code from a brand ambassador, okay? So if you don't have a code, so you just have to skip this part because there's nothing else to do here. And that's what I wanted to tell you about the codes you can use here on Shein.com. Thanks for watching.